Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Chrysler 200 LX. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite. It looks great. You do have your headlights up there, the projector style. You got your Chrysler badging right there as well, and coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our tires there. Lots of tread left on them, and the rims look nice as well. Got your mirrors hanging out there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have the 200 badging right there. You can open it up just by pressing this button. Lots of room in here. Looks great. You got your mats there as well. Lots of room. You can fold those seats forward if you need to. And you do have your pump just underneath there as well. Okay, we got our case here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We've got our panic button there. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you're the key only person, just go put your hand there, it will unlock. Plus you got the button there to lock it. On the door here, you do have your handle. You have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Handle here, and some storage. Looks great in here as well. The cloth seats are very comfortable, very nice. You got the controls over the seats right there. And then over here we do have the controls over the lights, the off, on, daytime running lights, and auto, as well as your in-cabin light control here. That one opens up the back. And up here you got the control over the high beams and turning signals. Let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have right in the center there how many kilometers we're going, as well as the kilometers we've been. Now we can switch that around to our vehicle info there. We also got the fuel economy, our trip info, audio, messages, screen setup, and back to our speedometer. That is controlled from right here with the Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And back there we do have the controls over our windshield wipers. And around the back of the steering wheel you got a volume up and down with a source changer. Right in the center you do have your touch screen display. Looks great, so you got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. You have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have your phone options here, compass, climate control, and your more. Then you do have your your hazard lights right there, and then down here we got the volume up and down, screen off, traction control, back button, and your tuner and browser over there. You have your AC, circulation, temperature control, power and off, and then as well you have your front rear defrost, gear shift right here. Just turn it like that. Then you do have your electronic parking brake. Cup holders here. You can slide this back. You do have an aux cord and USB plug-in right over there. As well, you got some storage just underneath there if you needed it. You fold that back up. Lift this guy up, you got some room just down there as well. And then you do have a locking glove box over here. Lots and lots of room in there as well. And then up top you do have your lights and the sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle, the control over your windows, handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here. Very spacious, seats 5 people all together. And you can fold this guy down just like this. You got some cup holders there, and this guy does open, as well as you have access to the back there. And then you can fold this down just like this, and then you do have access to the back as well as extra room. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around for you, the 2015 Chrysler 200 LX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.